Hi guys, welcome to our channel Way to Crack IELTS, and today we are going to discuss speaking cue card, and it is describe a line you remember from a poem or song, and the follow-up questions are what it is, what song or poem it is from, how you know about it, and how you feel about it. Okay, so let's begin. I listen to music whenever I travel. So I still remember that when recently I was traveling to Chandigarh, so I was listening to the music, and I still remember that there was a song in my suggestions on YouTube. So I played that song, and that song was really awesome. Its name is Hall of Fame, and it is sung by Irish rock pop band The Scripts. The song is really nice. It is about following your dreams and making an impact on the world. So whenever I feel low, I usually listen to this song, and it really gives me a lot of energy, and it really motivates me to do better in my life. And I have suggested this song to some of my friends and relatives also. They also really like this, and they have appreciated that this song really gives us lots of energy. Moreover, the video of this song is also good. People are working out in this video, which I saw on the YouTube. Along with this, people always need some motivation. Some get it through some quotes, some get this motivation from listening to music, some people read books to get the motivation. So I personally feel that this song is also a very good source of motivation. I really feel energized whenever I listen to this, and I get to know about this from the YouTube. The lines which I remember about this song is standing in the Hall of Fame, and the world's gonna know your name. So these lines are really powerful, which always push us to do better, which always push to achieve our targets in life. So these lines are really beautiful, and I really like it. Thank you.